At History Life Lessons. The Haymarket Affair of 1886 was a pivotal event in American labor history, marked by a deadly confrontation between labor demonstrators and police in Chicago. The incident occurred during a time of intense labor unrest, with workers across the country advocating for an 8-hour workday. Here's a detailed overview of the Haymarket Affair. Background ***. 1. Labor conditions. In the late 19th century, labor conditions in the United States were harsh, with many workers enduring long hours, low pay, and unsafe working conditions. 2. Demand for 8-hour workday. Labor activists, particularly those affiliated with the labor movement and groups like the Knights of Labor and the American Federation of Labor, began advocating for an 8-hour workday. 3. May 1, 1886, nationwide strike. On May 1, 1886, thousands of workers across the United States went on strike, demanding an 8-hour workday. The Haymarket Incident ***. 1. May 4, 1886, Haymarket Square Rally. In Chicago's Haymarket Square, a peaceful rally was organized to protest the killing of several workers by the police during a strike at the McCormick Harvesting Machine Company the day before. 2. Speakers and demonstrators. The rally was attended by several hundred people, including workers, labor leaders, and activists. Among the speakers were prominent anarchists and labor activists, including Albert Parsons and August Spies. 3. Police intervention. As the rally was winding down, a contingent of police officers arrived to disperse the crowd, citing that the gathering was unlawful. 4. The bombing. As tensions escalated, an unknown individual threw a bomb at the police, resulting in chaos and violence. The bomb blast and ensuing gunfire led to the death of several police officers and civilians, and many others were injured. 5. Aftermath. In the aftermath of the bombing, there was widespread panic and outrage. The authorities swiftly cracked down on labor organizations and activists, arresting scores of individuals suspected of involvement in the incident. The trial and executions ***. 1. Legal proceedings. Following the Haymarket bombing, 8 individuals, including Albert Parsons and August Spies, were arrested and charged with conspiracy and murder. 2. Controversial trial. The trial was highly controversial, with critics arguing that the defendants did not receive a fair hearing. The prosecution relied heavily on anti-anarchist sentiment to secure convictions. 3. Verdicts and sentences. 7 of the defendants were found guilty, with 4 sentenced to death by hanging, 1 committing suicide before the execution, and the remaining 3 receiving lengthy prison terms. Legacy and impact ***. 1. International Workers' Day. The Haymarket Affair had a profound impact on the labor movement worldwide. In 1889, the International Socialist Conference declared May 1 as International Workers' Day in honor of the Haymarket martyrs. 2. Labor rights. The Haymarket Affair brought attention to the plight of workers and helped galvanize the labor movement in the United States. It also led to increased scrutiny of labor practices and contributed to the eventual establishment of labor rights and protections. 3. Anarchism and labor activism. The association of the Haymarket Affair with anarchism led to a crackdown on anarchist organizations and ideologies in the United States. However, it also inspired generations of anarchists and labor activists to continue fighting for social and economic justice. In conclusion, the Haymarket Affair of 1886 remains a significant event in American history, symbolizing the struggle for workers' rights and the ongoing tensions between labor and capital. It serves as a reminder of the sacrifices made by those who fought for fair labor practices and social equality.